Have you ever heard the sound of knock 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 in the forest? It wasn't the sound of falling wood, but of a woodpecker. 1. Pecks up to 20 times per second. Woodpeckers can pack trees at incredible speeds, up to 20 times per second without injury. 2. Its head is shock resistant. Its skull has a special structure that absorbs impact, protecting its brain from damage. 3. Long and sticky tongue. A woodpecker's tongue can be longer than its head itself, helping it catch insects in wood. 4. Make holes as homes. They dig holes in tree trunks for nests, which other animals can then use after leaving. 5. Has unique feet. Its feet have 2 toes facing forward and 2 backward, allowing it to grip trees firmly. So, woodpeckers are not only expert carvers, but also have incredibly strong bodies. Support this channel by clicking subscribe. May you always be given smoothness and success. Thank you.